It's March 15th, 2024, and the Secret Weapon PLR has some of the new content inside of the portal. And I'm going to take you behind the scenes and so we can take a look at what we're going to use this month. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sharita Deloach, and on this channel, I talk about how to turn your skills into cash by providing passive income tips for writers, publishers, and creatives. Make sure you go ahead and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that notification bell so when I upload a new video, you will be the first to know. Now, have you heard about the Passive Profits Collective? That's my flagship program for women that are writers, that are publishers, that are creatives, and you really want to generate passive income in your business. This is the place to be. Join the Passive Profits Collective. You'll get access to my community in Heartbeat. Not only that, you also get access to my you get a one-on-one call with me when you first sign up so we can figure out which passive income stream you should definitely focus on. And you also get access to our weekly coaching calls. So we have weekly coaching calls on Tuesday. So we have a lot. We have a lot going on. Great community of amazing women that are making moves, and we generate income without that hustle and grind. So we make it happen in the beginning with passive income, but we set it up so that we can sit back and relax. So come on over and join. I also have my daily newsletter. This is a free daily newsletter. Monday through Friday, I'm sending 3 quick and valuable tips and resources that's going to help you to elevate your digital publishing business daily. Go ahead and join 500 plus writers, publishers, and creatives. And I also will give you a swipe file of 50 plus creative ways for you to turn your writing skills into money, honey. All right. For those of you that are writers and publishers, I have a full guide I created for you absolutely for free. We're helping you to earn passive income. I give you a whole list of the different types of passive income that I currently use in my business. I not only give you that list, but I also give you resources as well to help you along the way so you can start creating passive income in your business. Okay. So you can get this for free as well. And the last day, I would love for you to register for my free online workshop. This is an on-demand workshop where I am breaking down the income streams that you can have in your business that are passive, and probably some that you have never heard of, but you get access to this training. It's absolutely for free. Go ahead and claim your spot. I really break down my framework around how I create passive income in my business and highlighting some of my students as well so that you can go and get your money, honey. Okay, that's what we are all about. So let's take a look inside the Secret Weapon PLR. Every single month on the 15th, they drop some new content, which is what we love about the Secret Weapon PLR because it's not just the same content over and over again. It's new content every single month. So each week there is always a trending product. So we're going to go with that one first, which is a Canva book review template. So you guys know I saved this one because I love books. So anything dealing with books, I'm going to save it, right? So I did save this template. I'm going to click on it so that you can look at the inside of this book review template here. Remember, these products inside the Secret Weapon PLR, you are able to sell them. So they're digital products already created and you can sell them. So I can take this and I can sell this. Of course, you will want to make some changes here. All right. I think this is beautiful. I think this picture is beautiful. You can make changes. You can add your own coloring. Please make sure that you do that. Okay. So here's a look on the inside. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger just so you can see. So here, if you review books, all right. So if you review books, if that's something you do, which there are some people that actually do that. That's what they do. They review books. This is a tracker that you can keep up with. It only comes with 3 pages, but of course you can add pages as you go. I'm sorry, not like that though. Not like I just did. You're going to add them like this. Okay. So you can make copies of those. Okay. So again, great digital product that you can go ahead and start selling. Now let's go take a look at the new drops. Let's see what's new. What's new in here. Okay. Every month around the 15th of the month, there's some new digital products that are uploaded here. So let's take a look and see what we have. We have workout digital stickers. We have a website template for nail technicians. We have interior design questionnaire, interior design finishes schedule, monthly business report, a website checklist. Who loves a good checklist? I do. College application timeline checklist, home automation checklist, interior design services guide. This must be interior design month. You know any interior designers? Let me know because there's some digital products in here. Not elevate, event planner proposal, time management planner. What's this? A sourdough baking journal. I love that one. Prayer journal. IVF pregnancy milestone cards. I absolutely love these pregnancy milestone cards. Birth affirmations, 20 Mother's Day promo website banners. Mother's Day is coming up soon. Travel agent inquiry form, intake form for esthetician. You know, any estheticians. Dog grooming business forms. Moody Bloom's photo pack, secret agent activity pack, kids nature walk scavenger hunt, cruise kids activities. What's this? A lash Instagram carousels, lash Instagram post. 20 bookgram highlights. All right, those of you that are authors, good bookgram posts. I like these too. Let's click. I'm gonna click on that when I come back. Faceless reels. Okay, this right here is very popular now. Business coach faceless posts, photography, social media templates. You have your mental health affirmation stories. I love that. Let's click on this book Instagram post because you guys know I love books. I love all those things. So let's see if we can make any use of these social media posts. Okay. So the bookgram social media posts, these are 30 posts diving into the latest adventure. So if you're writing books, this would be great for you. Okay. My month in books, what's on your list? Lost in the Isles of Stories. That's cute. I like that. Okay. This is great. I love this. I love this. I love the aesthetic of this. It's nice and beautiful. Nice, nice, nice. I can see this being great for someone that maybe writes fiction books. So I think that would be great for that. Okay. So that's what we have. That's new. Okay. So remember the new products, they're new, so they'll always be here in the site. They never leave, but we do have the limited edition. So the limited edition, these expire on the 15th. Okay, so we have two in here right now. We got the weightlifting tracker and the team task tracker. Okay, this will be great. So remember, with the limited edition drops, they expire on the 15th of every month. So they just got uploaded today, probably this morning, because wasn't here when I logged in. It was still the Easter things, but there are two here. So if you are a part of the Secret Weapon PLR, you want to go ahead and get the limited editions. Go ahead, at least put them into your Canva, whether you're going to use them right now or not. But these are great digital products to sell. Remember, PLR is private label rights. So that means you have the opportunity to take these already done for you digital products, and you can sell them. You can sell them as is. A part of the licensing is that you can sell them as is, but it's highly suggested that you make changes. Okay, make changes to it so that you can sell it. All right. Remember the gifts from the partners. Evelyn and Jessa have partnered with some amazing women that have their own membership. One is a health and nutrition and fitness white label vault. So there are some gifts here if you have not downloaded them already, and also the health professionals as well. So here's some healthcare social media templates, recovery meal planner, these type of things. Okay, so a great idea even with these is that doctors' offices and things like that, you can potentially sell these to them. Okay, so it doesn't have to necessarily just be on Etsy, although you can sell on Etsy or on your own website. Get creative. You can introduce these, like this children's daycare, this children's dental care checklist. This would be great to sell to dental care. Okay, because they will need it to give out to their customers. All right, just to give you a quick view of what's inside the Secret Weapon PLR, we got the coaches tool vault, the coloring book vault, the ebook vault, the planner vault. Also have the resources that are here as well, the licensing. Remember to read over the license. The different products that are in here are templates, planners, emails. You got affirmation cards, journals, checklists, covers, Google Sheets template. Most of all of these digital products can be downloaded from Canva, except for like the Google Sheets templates. The Adobe Lightroom presets as well. They are, in another file. I think they're in a different file, not a job form. I was getting ready to say job form, but not a job form. A Dropbox. That's what I'm thinking about. A Dropbox. So you have that as well. You can search by niche. So these are the most popular niches we know: health, wealth, and relationships. And then you got leisure as well for travel and those type of things. Okay. So the Secret Weapon PLR is $27 per month. The price that has not yet changed, but I will go ahead and get in. If I were you, I will put the link in the description so that you can get immediate access. Okay. So that's it for this month's video on the new products in the Secret Weapon PLR. I hope that you enjoyed. Let me know if you have any questions below.